Welcome back. I have this new ephemera box that I bought from Amazon. I'm going to unbox it here and go through all the contents and then make a spread. So I will link down below for the product on Amazon. And this is 60 pages of this paper that is like beautiful, like thin, almost like vellum. And it's cut into different pieces and it has different designs on it. So just really pretty papers, great for journaling and creating collages with. All right, so that's that one. And then some florals, some floral papers. And same thing here where they're cut into pieces already. I buy some new things every once in a while from different places. And this is my first time buying an ephemera kit from Amazon. So I wanted to see what the experience would be like. And it was real nice. It was easy. So really pretty papers again. And we're going to use some of that. We're going to build something in a minute. And then I love these. Just the different it's thin paper still, but it's got these different kind of torn paper looks. So if you don't like to tear your paper yourself, or if you like to have like extra pieces, this was a really decent way to get a lot of extra papers that I did not have to cut, which is always critical. Makes it a little easier for me just to craft right away. So these are cute little postcards, little cut up old postcards. That's cute. I'm going to use that. Yeah, because I think I'm going to do a piece with a little bit of postcard in it. Right. And then I love these graph papers because these are perfect to stick in there for journaling spaces. And they give me such good ideas about where to put, what to do with the backings of cards where I have white backs and I want to do something different. And then there's got a little ephemera pieces that are old letters. Ooh, what's that back there? Let's see what that is. Ooh, yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. And I'm going to use one of these. All right. All right. This is texture paper. So you can see like they added different textures. The crumpled and the... All right. That piece. I like that piece. Okay. Then some clear ephemera. So I hope this will show okay. I'm just going to pull out a few pieces. So these are like clear stickers, not stickers. They are just clear pieces, but I'll use them like stickers. I use those 3. All right. All right. And then finally, 100 notes. And I love these. And they go from small all the way up to really large pieces. But these are just cuts already cut for you. All right. All right. Ooh, I like this. All right. I see something back here I'm interested in. Oh, yes, please. Okay. And then some collages are already done for you. All right. It also comes with this lovely glue tape. As you know, I'm a fan. Now I'm going to move this away. I'm actually going to just leave that down here. Put this box over here. And I'm going to decorate this page with a few pieces. And I'm kind of trying to use the words within the page to create some interesting juxtapositions. That way. I'm going to put that down right there. It's going to be a little pocket. That there. Okay, I'm going to start some gluing. So there's the final copy. You can see I added in pockets. I put a little a lip on this one. I took some of these and I made pockets. I used these little floral pieces because I wanted some more color on it. And I thought they were pretty. So I added this pocket and I put a little flower on top of the paper. What I really love is how you can see the book, the words behind the ledger. And that's very cool that they just kind of show through a little bit. So that is my little junk journal craft for the week. I did one spread. Eventually, I'll get all these spreads put together into one book. And then I will move on to the next book. If you enjoy making crafts like junk journals and tutorials about how to make books into junk journals, please like and subscribe below. Hit that notification bell if you want to know every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.